In today's culinary world, presentation, portion control, and functionality are just as important as flavor. The Onemore Gratin baking dish oval ceramic set of 4 addresses these needs, delivering a versatile, stylish, and durable solution for everyday cooking and entertaining. Whether you're preparing single-serve casseroles, roasted vegetables, lasagna, or quiche, these individual baking dishes combine elegance and practicality, allowing you to serve meals straight from oven to table without the need for extra dishes. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, each dish in this set measures 6 by 8 inches and holds 20 ounces, making it ideal for individual portions. The creamy white finish with a subtle brown rim adds a sophisticated touch to any table setting. These dishes are designed to withstand high oven temperatures, making them reliable for daily use while resisting warping, cracking, or staining. The oval shape enhances presentation, allowing meals to look professionally plated without requiring extra effort. Versatility for everyday cooking and special occasions. The Onemore Gratin baking dishes are more than just a set of mini casseroles. Their oval design makes them perfect for multiple cooking applications. Use them for individual lasagnas, au gratin potatoes, quiche, roasted vegetables, or even desserts like bread, pudding, or fruit crisps. Each dish doubles as a serving piece, allowing you to present food elegantly while minimizing cleanup. This versatility ensures you get maximum utility from a single set, whether for casual weekday meals or formal dinner parties. Perfect individual portions. One of the standout features of this set is its ability to control portion sizes. Each 20-ounce dish provides just the right amount for a single serving, helping with dietary management and minimizing food waste. Individual portions also elevate presentation, offering a restaurant-style dining experience at home. Guests or family members can enjoy their own personal baked dish, enhancing both convenience and style. Durable oven-safe ceramic. Durability is essential when choosing bakeware, and these dishes excel in that department. Made from high-quality ceramic, they can withstand frequent use in the oven without cracking or warping. The dishes are oven-safe and perfect for a wide variety of recipes, from simple weeknight casseroles to complex baked gratins. Their sturdy construction ensures longevity, making them a reliable addition to your kitchen collection. Elegant table presentation. Beyond functionality, the Onemore Gratin baking dishes offer a visually appealing presentation. The oval shape and creamy white finish with a brown rim transform everyday meals into beautiful table settings. These dishes transition seamlessly from kitchen prep to dining, allowing you to serve directly from the oven while impressing guests with professional-looking presentation. Whether you are hosting a brunch, holiday dinner, or casual meal, the elegant design adds sophistication to any table. Complete baking dish set value. The set of 4 dishes provides excellent value, allowing you to serve multiple guests simultaneously or prepare a variety of dishes for a single meal. Use them as individual casserole dishes, au gratin pans, or mini baking dishes for oven needs. Their versatility ensures that you can experiment with recipes while maintaining a cohesive and elegant look on your dining table. The set's multi-purpose nature makes it practical for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Easy maintenance and longevity. Cleaning and maintaining these dishes is simple thanks to the smooth ceramic surface. They resist stains and baked-on residue, making hand-washing quick and effortless. The non-porous ceramic surface also ensures that food does not stick, preserving the dish's appearance over time. Regular use will not compromise durability or aesthetic appeal, making this set a long-term investment in quality bakeware. Why this baking dish set stands out. The Onemore Gratin baking dish set stands out due to its combination of functionality, elegance, and durability. Unlike ordinary ceramic bakeware, these dishes provide individual portions that elevate meals while reducing food waste. The high-quality ceramic ensures reliability and longevity, while the aesthetic design adds a touch of sophistication to any table. The set is perfect for home cooks, busy families, or anyone who values style and convenience in the kitchen. Final recommendation. For anyone seeking versatile, durable, and visually stunning bakeware, The Onemore Gratin oval ceramic baking dish set is an exceptional choice. It is ideal for individual servings, creative recipes, and seamless presentation from oven to table. This set balances practicality with elegance, making it a must-have addition to your kitchen for everyday use, entertaining, or gifting. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.